All right, y'all. Sorry, I was having some technical difficulties, bro. Like it was not letting me go live for whatever reason, but um, we're here now, and I mean I'm keeping the same idea from yesterday, bro. I'm trying to go long, um, like until we tap into some of these like super higher time frame PD rates, like especially on the daily. Um, I want to go long and try to catch some longs. So um, let's see. Let's see if we can find us a long. Reason for me being long biased is just because, bro, we gotta have a retracement at some point, right? No way we just keep falling off a cliff at least consecutive days, right? And kind of looking for like a TGIF type of setup today. You know, Fridays are typically um, retracement days for the week, especially like on a super trendy week like this week has been. Just you know, all downhill. Um, Maybe we can find us a little setup, man. So we're in a 1 hour bullish fair value gap right now. With that being said, um, we do got this that could serve as our breaker if we get that. Let me grab my water real quick and let me turn on this light so we can have a better stream. All right, let me see. Let me check news real quick. All right, orange folder. Don't care about that. Let's do our due diligence. I mean, it's really nothing, no new information, right? It's really no new information from yesterday. It's kind of all, it's kind of all the same thing. Same thing I was looking at before. Weekly order block. Still inside of this daily fair value gap. Looks like we did close below it though. So that could be cause for concern. But I still would want to see like a retracement, bro. A retracement of some kind. Like even if we just use this high right here. We just use this. We haven't even traded back to equilibrium of that range. So I still feel like we got some room to go up. In my opinion. I could be wrong. Like I always say. We could be getting ready to take out London low, which would be beautiful. Mm-hmm. There's YM doing her own thing. Shocker. Really wish they would have gave us this entry yesterday, man. Where? Oh, hang on. Really wish they would have gave us that entry. That would have been great. Mm. Go ahead and knock out London low real quick. Some SMT between ES and NQ right now with these lows. Um, Hopefully NQ doesn't leave like equal lows down here. I don't want to see it, you know what I'm saying, get taken out real quick. Put this here. Mm. The range from yesterday was still pretty big, man. So our stop losses are more than likely going to be larger than normal as well. So I'm gonna have to keep this on 1 for now. Just gotta remain patient, man. Really wish we could have just took London's low real quick. Did YM? No, they never did. Sheesh. Give us a little London low sweep, shall we? Come on. There we go. Yes. Yes. No, do it all the way. Don't create equal lows. Do it all the way. Don't create equal lows. Do it all the way. Yep. Come on. Get down there. Just a slight poke down there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Now we can look for longs. It's all really going to depend on this 1 hour closer too. If we can close, well, we can respect this fair value gap. I think we can go higher, but if we close below it and inverse it, we could be going for these. These are from last week, bro. I am going to wait for the macro though, just to see. But now we got some pretty prominent SMT between ES and NQ. Bullish SMT, I'll say that. So if we can get a bullish setup, ladies and gentlemen, and we can catch us a dub early, we may be out of here early today. I would want to wait for the macro, but I mean, shoot, we might just have to. My God. We might have to give one a shot right now. Yikes, bro. Look at this stop loss. That's 720 right there. We take a L. We done for the day. I want to be done this early. Yikes. That looks good though. That 5 minute looks great though. Maybe we can get a little picky. Should I do it? I think I'm in the practice. No, I'm not. I'm in the main. Okay, good. Should I do it? That SMT is pretty prominent, bro. If we can get to consequent encroachment of this gap, I may just go ahead and give longs a shot early, bro. I may just give longs a shot early in the day. I mean early, bro. Days where I can take a trade this early are like super rare. But I do like when they happen. So So let's see if we get a pullback or if we just get left. Um, we might just have to play this 5-minute uni. Well, if we get this 5-minute uni, might just have to play that because it's looking like it's not trying to come back to that 1-minute gap. We got the macro though, so we'll have to see. I'm debating, man. Because one thing I can't stand is losing early than being done early. Ooh, I don't like this candle. Hang on. I don't like this candle at all. Ew. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the macro. Just gonna wait for the macro. Oh my god. See, man, you can kind of just tell by like how candles form, like if you about to get a crazy retracement, bro. Yeah, nah, I'm good on that. Yep, I'm good, ladies and gents. Macro it is. Glad I didn't pull the trigger on that, bro. Would have been tight, boy. I would have been tight, boy, if I would have took that and lost. But we still got that bullish SMT, man. It's still gonna be about timing this correctly. Can we get the timing right? That 5-minute candle looked good too for like a little liquidity grab too. That looked great, bruh. The fact that this very next candle did that is crazy. I mean, it gave you about 60 something points, bro. It's happened to that fair value gap and said adios. That's crazy. Yeah, that closure sucks. In the macro now though, Y'all, how do some people just wake up, bruh, talking crazy? If I'm gonna be bullish, I need this to close back above here, bro. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be a little. It's gonna be a little hard for me to be like, oh, I'm bullish all the way. I feel like this is out too much. I don't believe it was out this far before. Yeah, this hourly candle respects this fair value gap. I wouldn't mind going long. I wouldn't mind it. I wouldn't mind it, ladies and gentlemen. I wouldn't mind it. One thing I would hate, bro, is taking another trade right before a new 1 hour candle, bro. And then what happened the past 2 times I did that happens again, which is me getting stopped. And then it, going in my favor after that, bro. Like, that would really be tragic. Give me something I can pull the trigger on. Today's the 26th, so this is the last day where I have to keep all that premium stuff in the Discord. I can take it out. Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-ba-ba-boom, ba-boom, boom, ba-ba-ba-boom, boom, ba-boom. Look at all this good old bullish SMT, bruh. It's clear as day. Just a matter of, can we get that timing correct, ladies and gentlemen? If we can get that timing correct, it's over. Being patient. Mm-mm-mm. All right. So now I'm just gonna wait until 10 o'clock. I just want to see, man, if we can respect this 1 hour bullish fair value gap or not. I'm still probably gonna be bullish even if we quote unquote inverse it, but it would be nice to see it respect. I be off that dime, Julio leaning. I need a pretty young dime. All right, let's see. Come on, close inside of the 1 hour fair value gap. Do it for the gang, for the culture. Market maker buy model by chance? All these highs left. SMT at the lows. Higher time frame PD array. If we can close inside of the 1 hour fair value gap, or close back, like respecting it. So this candle, as long as it closes above or in this box, that means the 1 hour candle did respect. If it closes below, that means it technically inversed. Come on. All right, good. It's looking like it's about to. Still 28 seconds. But if it does do this, all right, what I would want to see next is I would want to see the 10 o'clock candle push down first. I wouldn't want to see it start pushing up first, bro, because then that'll force me to make a decision. This is looking good. I ain't gonna lie. I don't want to miss out on longs, though. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Oh my god. News, orange folder did that? Orange folder's doing that now? Okay. My god. Okay. Oh my god, dude. All right. Well. Oh, chill, bro. Don't do this to me. Imagine it hits this gap and just goes, bruh. I would be sad. What sucks is, like, I wouldn't want this to be my fair value gap candle now, bro. Because if it is, I would have to have my stop all the way down there. All right, we could be getting this uni, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, I ain't liking how it's looking. Let me turn off notifications. I don't know, y'all. We gotta remain patient here. This right here would be too crazy, bro. Like this stop loss. I can't do it. Yeah, man, I can't do that stop loss. The new 1 hour candle, making things hard for me once again. I should have known to put a entry right here, even though I rarely ever trade the 2 minute chart. What's up, man? God, dude. Goodness gracious. Yes, sir. Back at it to make another $1 million. Not as tired as I was yesterday, though. That 10-hour news can't. I mean, yeah. The 10 a.m. news. Well, 10 a.m. just messed it up, bro. Messed it up, man. I got what I wanted to see on the 1 hour, though. Let's see if maybe, just maybe. Same thing I've been looking for all week. I want to buy, man. I ain't trying to sell nothing until we start trading into like some of these higher time frame points of interest, like maybe this daily fair value gap or this one sitting up here with the equal highs. Like, I want to buy, but I need something good. Need something good. Like, this ain't good. Like, this is data highs right there. ES already took out the data highs. NQ did not. Now there's a clear bearish SMT. I just can't sell without us tapping into anything, bro. Like, I can't do it. Trying to think, like, what are the chances we go lower? Fridays are typically like you can bank on retracements for the week, typically. I don't know. I'm gonna look at it, man. I mean, could me wanting to go long every single day have caused me to not make money this week? Sure. Especially after yesterday, you know. I saw the short setup, I just didn't take it. And that would have been more than enough. I don't know, man. I just can't do it. Like, I don't need higher time frame confluence, but it would be nice. I mean, especially just knowing in the back of my mind like how much we've sold off to like this week. It's like, bro, I can't. This macro is about to end. You quick. You could have caught this little bullish play real quick at the news drop. I gave you 70 points. Maybe 70 points in 2 minutes. That's all you need. Still got bearish SMT, so if we are going lower, I don't know if I'm gonna be a part of the ride, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna be a part of the ride, man. Which is looking like we are. I don't see a place for me where I can justify going short. Other than, man, we've been bullish the past bearish the past 2 weeks. Like maybe, I don't know. I just wish it would have inversed this bullish gap because then it would have gave me like a little bit. Oh, wait a minute, ladies and gentlemen. What's this down here? What's that? What's that right there? A fair value gap. Look at them trying to sneak on us. And let's see if we can build some confirmation here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. OTE, fair value gap, 1 hour. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. If we get a fair value gap, maybe on a 1 minute chart, let me see. Okay, yes, we did for sure indeed tap into that. If we get a bullish fair value gap coming out of that 1 hour fair value gap, yeah, boy, might pull the trigger. Not gonna lie. As long as the stop ain't freaking crazy. Like it's looking like this stop is about to be crazy if we get this fair value gap. Good Lord. Why must all my stops be freaking 50 points, bruh? Was that just more manipulation to then go higher? Yo, chill, bro. Don't leave us. Oh my God. If this creates this fair value gap, bro, our stop would have to be, oh my God, bro, $900 almost. And that's with one contract. Oh my. I don't know if I can do it now. I can't justify a $900 stop, y'all. Not with one contract, bro. Like, come on, pull back just a little bit more, maybe. But then again, depending on how this closes, I ain't gonna like that either. Like with my 3 candle sequences, I low key like them to all be bullish, bro. Or at least the second and third candle to be bullish. All right, with that, that'll make it what? 770, bro. $20 more than what I actually want to risk. Mm. Consequent encroachment is 28 points. Now that's reasonable. Just tapped into this bearish fair value gap here. I might just remain patient, y'all. Remain a little bit patient. We're still early in the trading day. There's no need to really try to, you know what I'm saying, rush to get it set up. Hey, maybe if we can get a CISD right here and take a setup based off of that. I'm not going to take this 1 minute gap if it trades back into it. I'm going to wait a little bit. We got this bearish gap that is low-key respecting as of right now. And it's like on a Friday, do I really want to fade people and then possibly end on a losing day? Not really. Let's see if this 5-minute candle can push. It's looking like it's not. I'm gonna wait. I'm not taking that trade, y'all. What is this person talking about? Honestly, that just turned out to be the craziest dub ever. Came at consequent encroachment too. I'm just trying to wait a little bit, y'all. I'm not trying to get caught up in foolishness, bro. I'm trying to wait until they are actually ready to get up out of here. So we can get like a fair value gap to overlap and inverse this. Because right now that's technically still respecting, okay? That's the only reason why I'm not why I didn't pull the trigger down here. All right, because if this is going to respect, then the draw is going to be this low. If it's not going to respect, right, then we can start looking for some longs. Let me delete all this crap, bro. I'm glad I saw this daily fair value gap down here, bro. I mean, not daily, but this 1 hour fair value gap down here. So we inverse this with a fair value gap overlapping it. Your boy is in there. Yeah, it's still looking like it's respecting. Patience, 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 patience. That's what they say you need in trading, right? I don't know, y'all. People are funny, bro. I just look at some of the stuff people comment on my YouTube. I'm like, bro, what are you talking about, bro? Give us something good. But since it's Friday, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I'm doing one trade and one trade only. More than likely. That's the plan. Now, if I take a trade and it gets stopped at break even and I see another one, I may do that. But if I take a L, I don't care if it's $400, $500, right? I'm just gonna walk away. It's nothing worse than losing big on a Friday than having to sit on that and, you know, think about it all weekend. This displacement is looking good. If we can just get over this, bro. The reason why I'm waiting, y'all, is just because I don't want to hop into a buy and this actually does end up holding. Like, I want to see this get disrespected. Right? So, like, even with how this candle is forming, it could create another fair value gap here. I'm not pulling the trigger on that. I need to see this get inverse first. Once I see that, then I'll be like, okay, I think we're ready to go now. So ideally, this third candle in the sequence would close above this, and I would be able to enter off of this. But I don't. It's not looking like it's about to happen. So still gotta wait. Come on. The market really about to let me walk away this week down almost $1,000. Is that what we about to do, market? Is that what we own today or this week? You gonna let me be down 1,000? Anybody know when, like, the first USA men's basketball game is? Yes. Now this is what I want to see. All right, let's lock in. Let's focus up because it's looking like I'm about to pull the trigger on the setup here real soon. Let's see what we looking like. Just please inverse this. Don't end up closing back inside of it, bro. Please. Stop loss would be. I mean, we might as well give it the extra 7 points, right? Might as well give it the extra 7 points. I don't want to get stopped out of a trade because I'm trying to hold on to $140, bro. This would be best case scenario right there. Again, I may not hold it for 200 points, but that's like best case scenario. I feel like I gotta keep saying that because people always be like, man, you hold your trades for that long, bro? You go for such high RRs. Like, bro, that is the best case scenario, bro. I'm not saying that's what I'm gonna do. All right, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put my limit on right here, y'all. Risking 690. Inverses bearish fair value gap, tapping off of a 1 hour bullish fair value gap. Taking a 1 minute BPR type setup. Risking 690. Everything looks balanced down here. There's no reason for it to come back. We also got bullish SMT between ES and NQ. So hopefully NQ can come back down here and pick us up. And we'll be off to the races. It's got a CISD here on the 5 minute as well. I wonder if I moved it up to there. No, not put that 785. No, sir. No, sir. Oh, don't leave us, bro. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Oh, my God. Y'all, I think he's trying to do it to us. Please don't leave us, bro. Oh my god, dog. If this leaves me, bro, I'm about to freak out. I'm okay with that high being taken. Just please come back, bro. Don't leave me, man. I don't know how many times I can take getting left and being right. Oh my god. Yes, please come down here, please. I need you to drop 50 points now. Like, that's actually insane. It's so stupid, bro. Oh no. If we get left, I will move my stop up. I mean, my entry up to the CISD, I guess. But that would low key make me break my rules of risking 750 per trade by $35. And yeah, that's like, oh man, what's $35? But it's like, bro, you know what I'm saying? You give your flesh an inch, it'll take a mile, bro. It'll take 100,000 million bajillion miles, bro. That's why I hate kind of bending them like that. But I like NQ trying to leave me, ES trying to leave you. See, I stopped trading ES because ES been doing me wrong here recently. Not here recently, for like the past couple of months. And what's crazy is when I was trading Forex, I used to love the S&P. That used to be my girl. Then she switched up on me, so I had to switch up on her. Had to match her energy, you know what I'm saying? Bro, I think NQ is leaving me, bro. And I can't believe this. Like, how many days have we been on stream and I've literally said what I wanted to see happen, and what I wanted to see happen has played out? They just leave me behind. Like, brother, please. God, bring this thing back, please. Do not let them. And look, now it just tapped this 15-minute fair value gap. Lord, I'm about to have to fade. I'm gonna have to fade the shorts, man. I don't like fading people on Fridays. I'm gonna have to fade the shorts, man. How much do I believe in my bias? Oh my god, that candle looks horrible. Oh my god, that closed horribly. Hang on, y'all. We're gonna have to wait and see how this looks. Hang on. We're gonna have to wait and see how this reacts, bro. Them candles coming down, I did not like that. Especially after tapping that 15-minute gap. No, sir. I can see that. I can see ES being clearer than NQ sometimes. Maybe, man. Maybe, Steven. Maybe, bro. I ain't like how like we just getting death candles. It's looking like it's a good thing I took this order off, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm glad I took that order off, bro. See, y'all, it's all about how candles form, man. Like, it may just be experience, bro, but like you can kind of see like how a candle is forming if you know if your trade is about to work out or not. Like, I don't know how to explain it. But like seeing how this closed on the 5 minute, especially in that last minute of that 5 minute candle, I was like, oh no, sir. No, sir, absolutely not. Not taking that. If this would have closed better, 100% would have let that order on. But because it closed like that, and then I'm looking at the 15-minute as well, and we tapping into this 15-minute gap and seeing how that 15-minute candle closed, I was like, no, sir. Absolutely not. Not taking that. And thank God I didn't. The more experience y'all get in these markets, bro, y'all will be able to see when something ain't about to work out, bro. Or maybe that's that good Holy Spirit telling you, boy, don't you better take that trade off. But I'm not gonna lie, if we're gonna be short all day, I'm just gonna get off, bro. There's no point in me being on the charts. I'm not trying to sell. Oh my God. Then look at YM. YM always doing its own thing, but the Dow gets on my nerves. I might just have to walk away down a band this week, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Mm. Like, what is this, bro? What is this? I'm gonna give it one more macro from 10:50 to 11:10. If it ain't nothing I like to see, man, then you know what? The market can have it this week. I'll walk away with my $1,000 L for the week. That's less than 1% on the account. That's okay. Yo, Wall Street Kid, you are you new to my channel? I feel like I haven't seen you like in my comments or on my live streams, to be honest. Did you just find my channel? What type of video was it? Was it a day trading secrets from the Bible video? I feel like those are the videos that people mostly discover me on, bro. The day trading secrets from the Bible. Or actually, it could have been the from Forex to Futures video. That one's been getting a lot of view time. Oh, bro, y'all hear my stomach growling, bro? They say you shouldn't trade when you're hungry, bro. Oh, dang, they pushing my lives like that? I don't know, y'all. We may be cooked, bro. What would be tragic, y'all, is if PM session ends up getting the move that I want to see instead of AM. Because y'all know I have been reformed. I have renewed my mind. I'm no longer trading PM session. I give up on PM. Every time I try to trade PM, it burns me. Yeah, so biblical concept is not like, obviously it's not like a trading strategy, obviously. Not, God ain't showed me no trading strategy in the Bible yet now. But if I find one, y'all know I'm gonna bring it to YouTube. It's mainly just trading psychology. I got a whole playlist on my channel if you want to check it out. It's just trading psychology tips, and some of it may correlate with what you already hear. But I feel like knowing that you know it's not just coming from another human being, knowing that it's coming from God. I feel like that kind of makes it easier for you to be like, all right, I'm about to implement it. I'm about to do it, right? So that's why I do what I do, and it's helped me. I mean, it's taken me. I'm not a consistently profitable trader yet, but it took me from unprofitable to where I am now, which is break even, right? And so I'm sure it'll take me from break even to profitable whenever that's supposed to happen. But like I always say, I always tell people to do their own research. Like, don't just take my word for anything, especially when it comes to the Bible. Like, that's like, just do your own research. I always tell people, don't take my word for anything. Macro in 12 minutes. I was kind of hoping for a TGIF type of setup on Friday, today. Get like a little retracement of the weekly candle. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Lord, please. Let's see if maybe we can get a liquidity sweep inside of this 1 hour fair value gap. And for a little cherry on top, maybe ES not do that. Actually, there's already some SMT between ES and NQ with these lows. We just gotta time it right, y'all. If we can time it right, it's over with. Look at the bot goal. Let me see. This boy Ken live, man. Look at this boy. I always gotta troll this man.
This is definitely a unicorn to the downside.
The Bop Gold. What's up, Kev? How you doing today, bro? We still being patient, but you know me, I got about 28 more minutes before I go ahead and call it. Looking like it's Consolidation City.
Still, looks like we're playing chat GPT.
I'm down 973 for the week, bro. So $1,000. No bueno. Basically, the whole week I've been looking for longs, bro, and it just keeps wanting to sell off. So it's just hard for me to sell off when we haven't had like a single retracement. Well, hard for me to sell when we haven't had a single like retracement, or at least good enough retracement, in my opinion. But of course, I'm always look back on this week, see what I can learn. Maybe me just being bullish all week kept me from making money, like it did, yesterday. I saw a bear set up, and was like, nah, I ain't taking that, and it ended up winning, a big winner too, if I would have took it. So, um, I'm taking it into consideration, and try to be better next week. Or not try to be better next week. This man Kev always on mini vacations, man. Kev is a millionaire trader, low key. He just act like he ain't. This man Kev always on vacation. Now look at this, bro. We're in these. Oh, we're in between PD arrays on ES though. In between PD arrays and a bullish gap and a bearish gap. That's always wonderful. NQ was holding on for dear life. But we do got this little 1 hour gap sitting down here. Maybe, just maybe, in the macro in 4 minutes, we'll sweep this low and get some displacement back to the upside. But that's really all I'm looking for. If this macro just starts pushing down even lower, I'm gonna be getting off, y'all, and taking my $1,000 L for the week on the chin. Ready to make 100 million next week. this is low key a bearish uni on ES. Low key. The problem is, like I said, we're in between two PD arrays on the higher time frame. If it was just bouncing off of that 1 hour fair value gap up here and there was nothing down here supporting it up, your boy might have pulled a trigger. I might have gave it a shot, even though I don't want to sell. I might have given it a shot, but since it's in between two PD arrays, I'm good on it. Good lord, I look away for 2 seconds and it sweeps that low. Macro in 2 minutes. I'm gonna wait. They ain't about to get me. I'm just glad I didn't pull the trigger on that setup I was thinking about earlier. Cause boy, it's nothing worse than like losing early. Like you just take a L early in the trading day, and it's like, well, I guess that's that. I gotta get off. And you done at like 9:50, bruh. Macro in T minus 40 seconds. All right, y'all. It's the moment of truth right here. Let's see what this macro does. If I don't see nothing I like, I'm off. We inverse this with a fair value gap overlapping it. Your boy will pull the trigger. Good God, man. I can't click anywhere without moving that. All right. Yeah. We inverse this with a fair value gap. That's something I'd like to see. Then I'd give it a shot. Might even wait for this 1 minute uni by chance. See if we can get this little 1 minute uni right here. I wouldn't mind that. See if we can get it. If not, then there's only one answer, bro. The market is racist. No.
Need to get my tunes going.
Bro. Lordy. Come on. You know what you're trying to do. Come on. You know you're trying to give us this little 1 minute uni right here. 1 minute uni. And we'll take it till kingdom come. Come on. We might just be stuck in consolidation, y'all. So that'll be, kudos to us for, if we don't get a trade today, for staying out of, seek and destroy type of conditions. Yeah, man. Brutal AM, man. But again, that'll be kudos to us for staying out of these seek and destroy conditions. Not getting chopped up in here. But man, I would so hate to leave this week taking 2 trades, and the 2 trades I took were both L's. Well, no, I took 3 trades. 1 was break even. 2 were L's. But maybe, just maybe, we may get this 1 minute unicorn, possibly. Dang, bro. You gotta make that back, man. That's all there is to it. That's one of the hard things about prop firms, bro. Like, knowing, like, you're going in the wrong direction and knowing you're getting closer to possibly blowing it. Oh my God, please. Let this be a breaker so I can enter. I need to get some music on here, bro. I feel like it's too quiet in here. Y'all probably like, bro, this man is boring. Plus, it'll give me a chance to, when I do want to be quiet, I can just be quiet and it's not like just super quiet on here. It looks like I'm about to fade you then if we get a bullet set up. I low-key was looking at the monthly though, seeing how bearish it was. I was like, yeah, it low-key could be trying to hit this. I gotta get it set up to fade, man. I'm about to call it in 14 minutes if I don't get a bullish setup that I want to see. Come on, let this be it. Okay, never mind. Never mind. We're just gonna keep chopping. That's how I feel about PM session. people will catch crazy plays in PM. I'm like, all right, but I'm about to show up for PM. And when I get in PM, it's just absolutely nothing. Or like when I'm at work and I look at PM like, dang, bro, PM threw this setup and threw that setup and threw this setup. Then when I'm at home for PM session, it's like, we're just gonna chill. Oh my god, bro. It's like it just cannot keep that bullish momentum. I'm over here like, oh, maybe this is it. Nope. But maybe the bulls are starting to come into play. I need the DXY to stop being bullish. Oh my god. The wicks to the downside are killing me on. Stacked highs up here too. That's not looking good for us, ladies and gentlemen. At least not looking good for us to be bullish. But I may fade the DXY too. Starting to get some bullish momentum coming up out of here. I might fade the DXY too, bruh. It's at 945. That 30-point gap NQ. Are you on like regular trading hours? I don't see a gap. I have no clue. New 1 hour candle. We do got a bullish gap here. Am I about to fade people shorting? Do I do it? I waited this long. Do I do it? I don't know if I want that. I really do hate taking trades after 11. It's not my cup of tea. Again, y'all, this is just best case scenario. I don't want to hear anything about, bro, why are you going for such crazy RRs? Like, bro, please. That's just best case scenario TP right there. I don't actually think I'm going to get all that. Maybe I'll be patient, wait for the 5-minute gap, and then take that and just have a 52-point stop loss. Good God. Or I just do this 3-minute. See, I can justify a 40-point stop. Even though that's more than what I want to risk, I can justify a 40-point stop. I can't justify a 50-point, bruh. All right, that's $50 more than what I would want to risk, but I'm not missing another move, bro. Yeah, bro, be bullish with me. Trust me, bro. I know what I'm doing. I'm an 8-figure trader. I think I am gonna put the limit on, y'all. Let's see if how many of those digits are after the decimal point. Oh, none of them, bro. None of them. None of them. 100% an 8-figure trader. I just get on YouTube and act like I'm a break-even trader just because. Again, best case scenario TP. I may or may not hold it this long. I got the limit on. Let's see if we can get triggered in, bruh. Or if we're gonna have another day like, what was it? Was that yesterday? I think it was yesterday. Or we don't get triggered in. Just inverse this gap on the 3-minute as well. So let's see if they want to tag me in or if they want to leave me. This is a 1-hour gap that we're still low-key respecting, right? With super wicks, tap into a lower one down here as well. Come on, get down here, bro. Do not leave me. I know I saw that on ES too. We got bullish S&T as well, so hopefully they'll come down here and get me and not leave me, bro. I don't know if I could take another day of getting left on stream, because yesterday was not the first day that happened. And I don't want to hear nothing about, at least your bias was right. Like, bro, no. No, 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 no. I know, man, but it's like, Lord, I mean, I just can't believe how much I've gotten left behind, and this honestly started happening when I started streaming. I cannot believe how much I've gotten left behind. And it's looking like it's trying to happen right now, bro. Like, what is going on? Like, is the Lord trying to teach me a lesson? I'm being stream sniped, bro, by the market makers. They're like, where's Chris trying to answer at? Oh yeah, no, we ain't about to let him in. No, 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 no. We can't let him in. It could be because I got a Mac. Man. Please. Just please. Now I'm looking for like bearish PD arrays that can send it back down and get me. Please. Something, anything. Let's make this like a projection block, please. I know, man. It's like, maybe that's why I'm not getting picked up. I think it's going to, and I just cannot. I don't like taking inverse gaps. I really don't. And I'm definitely not entering way up here. Just tag me in right here, bro. Just get me in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. You only got 20. Yeah, 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 yeah. You only got 20 points to go. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. Come on. I wait all this time, watch it be a L, bro. I got it on the 1 minute gap. That's why it's slightly off. Dang, bro, my stomach is growling, bro. About to be on stream like, I command you in the name of Jesus to come down to this gap, bro. No, bro, don't do that. No, 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 bro. What are you doing, bro? Come down here, please. Get down here, bro. That's not blasphemy, bro. I do not. Y'all, we take this high, I'm closing the charts. We take that, I'm getting off. Oh my God. Maybe if I stop looking at it. That's what I'm saying, bro. Please get down here. If I get left behind on this, I'm 100% blaming the stream. I'm never doing streams again. I'm saying I feel like we bullish. I've been bullish all week, and I'm a stand beside my bias. Exactly. I will say this though, since I know the DXY is, going in the same freaking direction. If I don't like what I see when this oh, when this comes back into this, if it does, I will just go ahead and get out and close it. Like I ain't saying I want like just a wick, tap and go, but I definitely want to see some respect. I don't want to see it push into that fair value gap and show like no respect at all. I'm gonna give it a shot though. And if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. I mean, my God. It's all about how candles form too, bro. Like I don't like when they push up first and then drop down and tag me in. It's like a power of three on a candle. It's getting later in the day. You don't see moment of truth right here. It's the moment of truth. Yeah, now this is what I want to see right here. If this candle closes nicely, I'm liking it. But we are in, ladies and gentlemen. Will I end the week down? Will I end the week up? All depends on this candle, right? I mean, on this trade right here. We are going to be going break even at this high. Is it really? Oh my God, this is beautiful. Yeah, use this as an order block. Yeah. Use that as an order block right there. And then sell off. This is perfect. Well, this is a good initial reaction. I like this. We take that high. We go on to break even. And we're going to see how long we can hold this. But that was a beautiful initial reaction for sure. I like that. But then again, the two trades I lost on Tuesday, Wednesday, one of those days, they had great initial reactions too. Whoa now. Let's not get carried away here. All depends on how this candle closes. Like I said, I don't mind cutting it early on Friday. I will cut a trade early on a Friday. It's getting hard for it to beat the allegations. Not gonna lie. Like I'll say this: if this closes below that candle's low, I'm just gonna call it. I know, but I saw this as like decent displacement, so I'll give it a shot. If it closes below that candle's low, I'm gonna cut it. I don't care if it's still respecting the fair value gap or not. But y'all know me when I say stuff on stream, bro. When I say if it closes below, I'm gonna get out. It'll close like right at the low, and it won't let me get out. It's trying to hold on. Oh my God. Watch what I just said usually happen. Okay. All right, so far we are still in, ladies and gentlemen. If there's one thing we know about God, He loves testing my psychology on these live streams. Like, do you really believe what you teach? Mm, I don't know, y'all. This is kind of why I hate taking trades after 11 because volume typically already starts to slow down, right? So I don't typically take trades after 11, but gotta catch me something. You never bought into the volume idea? Oh my God. I don't know. If we break this candle's low, I might just go ahead and call it. Because honestly, if we're bullish, there's no reason for us to be breaking lows, bro. I don't know. I don't want to jump the gun too early. Like, this is a good reaction. I need the DXY to fall off a cliff so this can shoot to the moon, bro. We're not going to regard the clouds. I'm liking these wick rejections, but God, I hate having to deal with them just pushing deep in that zone, man. That 5 minute closed horribly. It breaks another candle low, I'm out. Yeah, it breaks another candle low, I'm out of here, bro. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. That would be tough too, bro, because all this week we've been getting great initial reactions and just taking L's, bro. I don't like how this looks like a perfect liquidity grab on the DXY. NQ, you said you love me. Please show me that you love me, please. We break this candle's high, moving the stop loss up underneath this candle. Oh my god. We break any candle high, moving the stop loss underneath this low. I might just do it anyway because I said I'm moving the stop loss to up here. Because honestly, if it comes back down there, I don't even want to be in the trade anymore. So there's no logic behind me putting it up here. Like there's no reason in the price action that I'm putting it up here, other than the fact that I don't want to see it come back down there. And if it does, I just want to be out. I'll take my, what is that, $420 L in the week down 13. Yeah, but I always like to try to leave room for it to, sweep a low inside the fair value gap. But it's already late, bro. I'm not trying to deal with that. Stop loss is there. Once we take this high, I'll put it to break even if we can get there. But now we've shaved our risk a little bit. So now it's in the Lord's hands. Risking 420. If I lose on this, I'll be down 1% for the week, which isn't crazy, but you know. DXY, please. Let's sell off, shall we? In a 1 hour bearish gap, come on. You know you want to sell off. Some days my discipline is not great, I'll tell you that. That's why I haven't passed the combine yet. I'll have good discipline for an extended period of time, then I'll just have one day where I just lose it and just ruin the combine. Come on. Take off. I've never failed a combine because I was just losing straight up. Like I've always failed a combine because, of the trailing drawdown. I don't like that candle. $40 left on this. If this closes strong bearish, I'm out of here, bruh. I'm out of here, bruh. 30 seconds. You have 20 seconds to choose your fate. Or it may just choose my fate for me and stop me. I'm about to be out of here, y'all. Get like one little jump up, maybe? One little jump up? One little jump up, maybe? Just go ahead and stop me out. All right. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and call it right there. I thought about closing it, but it was like, bruh, just to save 120 bucks. Nah, I'm gonna call it right there. It could very well just want to sweep this low, then continue higher, but I'm not trying to be a part of that, bro. So we're gonna end the week down 1%. Not how I want it to go. We lost what, a little under 1% last week, and now we lost 1% this week. So, well, would you look at that? So, tough last 2 weeks, but hey, we show up again tomorrow. This is where we are looking, or what we are looking like on the account right now. Obviously, been going in the wrong direction. We went from being what, 2,600 away from passing to now we are freaking 5,700 away from passing. So not good. Yeah, top step. So we lost. Yeah, we're down. This is not good, ladies and gentlemen. We need to get us a good trade next week. This week was just kind of bad trading conditions. But we manage our risk well, so that's something that we can take away from this. Next week, I'll be live, same time, Monday. Let's go ahead and get a little forecast for next week. We only care about USD. We don't care about anything else. The 29th. Next week is NFP week. So, going to be some nice volatility. So, we should be able to catch us a decent setup. Or try to catch us a decent setup. But yeah, man, I'm going to go ahead and call it right there. Appreciate you guys showing up. Showing love, reaching out, interacting with me. We go again next week, y'all. We go again next week. I gotta say, being break even is super annoying. Like, I know, like, unprofitable traders will look at a break even trader and be like, bro, man, I would do anything to be break even. And don't get me wrong, being break even is definitely better than losing money, but it's annoying. Exactly. Like, it's super annoying because it's like you're not making money, but you ain't losing money either. You're not, you're not losing progress, but you're not making progress. Like, it's kind of annoying, but we go again next week, man. I'm gonna keep going live until I pass my first combine, and then I might even go live for like the first until I get my first payout. All right, then after that, your boy's out of here. Don't you dare tell me NQ's pushing right now, bro. What did I say when I was in this? I said I usually like to, give it a chance to sweep the low before, but I said I don't care. And now look, if this pushes, bro, I am about to cry. Wow. See, now I gotta stick around and see if it hits break even. But let me go ahead and copy this and drop it in the Discord. What I say, $400? $474. Slippage, bro. Slippage. NQ. Kept my bullish bias. Had S&T at the lows. I cannot believe what I'm seeing. MT at the lows. A 1 hour. Yeah, I had a sell stop. I don't know. I mean, just had to push through so much. Yeah, I've never used the reverse button. But I gotta see if this hits break even. Because one could argue that I did make a emotional decision by saying that I just didn't want to be a part of it if it came back down here. Because technically the fair value gap was never invalidated. We'll see. Yeah, I just didn't want to see it come back down there. Like, why must I have to endure so much in a trade? And then the trades I don't take, they just tap and go. Like this trade from yesterday. I didn't see that. Like this little 1 minute setup coming off of a 5 minute fair value gap yesterday. Like the trades I don't take, they just tap and go, bruh. Tap and go. The trades I take, they want to chop around till kingdom come. Yes. See, look now, when I take an L, I be wanting it to fail, bro. Like, yes. If anybody else is in this trade, I want you to lose now. Mm. Yeah, them trades when there's no drawdown is nice. It's looking like it would have been the same result even if I would have held it. I probably just would have been able to say, all right, I'm just about to close it after seeing this huge bearish candle before it hit my stop. So, but it's looking like it's about to sell off and hit the full stop anyway. Oh well, man. Oh well, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off though. I'll catch you guys same time on Monday, 9:30 Eastern. Um, see if we can bring this account back up. Yeah, see if we can bring this back up, man. On this account, I was like 1,600 away from passing at one point. Had a bad psychology day, like I was talking about before. Had a bad psychology day, and lost a little bit more than I should have. And now, add on top of it the last 2 weeks where I've had losing weeks. It's no bueno. So, y'all stay tuned to see if I can bring this account back up or if I blow it and have to start a new challenge. So, that's all I got, man. I will catch you guys on Monday. Appreciate you guys showing up. And, yeah, man. Monday, we go again.